How do you deal with personal property after death? It is hard to think clearly when experiencing a loss, but there are steps we can take to make things easier for those who are left behind. Hi, my name is Matias Masucci, your trusted Los Angeles realtor. And today's video is titled From Junk Removal to Estate Sales, dealing with personal property after death. Stay with me till the end of this video as I reveal crucial insights and a special tip that could save you time and money. Managing a lifetime of memories and belongings can be challenging. And while there are professionals you can hire to assist you with the process, some families prefer to deal with this directly. No matter what works for you, this video will help you through the process. Firstly, let's talk about the emotional weight of personal property. When a loved one passes, their belongings aren't just items. They are tangible pieces of memories. Understanding this emotional connection is crucial in handling estate cleanouts respectfully and thoughtfully. Acknowledging this can make the process more manageable from an emotional standpoint. It's okay to feel some and take a moment when that happens. The next step is to do a general inventory. Take a piece of paper or use an app to start making some important decisions. A useful option is to use your phone to take pictures and to start categorizing things into 4 distinctive folders or categories. These are keep, sell, donate, and trash. Decide what you want to keep. Decide what should be sold. Decide what should be donated. And finally, decide what should be discarded. As you go through this process, there is something important to keep in mind: privacy. Remove all documents and items which contains names, addresses, social security numbers, bank accounts, tax returns, credit cards, ID cards, etc., etc. All personal and sensitive information should be either kept in a safe place or shredded. Now, the first category we mentioned is deciding what. There is an important consideration to keep in mind when dealing with items of personal and emotional significance. At times, this could be an area of dispute between family members. You may have heard about the sticker or sticky notes method. Sibling or family members take turns going around the house, each placing a different color sticker or sticky notes with their initial on it to claim a particular item. This can be effective, but it can also backfire. No matter how you decide to handle this, always keep an open communication line and be open to compromises. After you've decided what to keep, it is time to decide what should be sold. As a successor trustee, executor, or estate administrators, you may have fiduciary duty to sell valuable items and disburse the proceeds to beneficiaries. Keep in mind that what we may think is valuable may no longer have any value in today's market. So it is important to have realistic expectation. Depending on the size of the estate, this is perhaps one of the most crucial moments where it may be wise to consult with a professional. When artworks, antiques, and collectibles are involved, we often recommend our clients consult auction houses, appraisers, and collectors. However, I said it before and I will say it again. It is important to keep realistic expectations. That credenza your parents paid a fortune for could end up in a thrift store. Now, but if you own a Rembrandt, well, that's another story. A word of advice: don't underestimate the importance of staging for an estate sale. Properly displayed items not only attract more buyers, but can also increase the value of the sale. Estate sales and auctions can be conducted in person or online. Selling items online requires familiarity with the process, while doing an in-person estate sale can be as simple as organizing a garage sale or as complex as coordinating a full-scale event. So, now you have decided what to keep and what to sell. Next, it is time to decide what to do. Remember, But donating to charity, in addition to doing good, also has favorable tax implications. Again, depending on the size of the estate, consult with your accountant to learn more about your specific situation. There are plenty of worthy organizations out there who could benefit from your donation. So do a little research. Not everyone is comfortable with their donations being sold at a thrift store, so you can seek out organizations which use your donations directly without having them end up in a company store. I won't give you a list of organizations in this video because charity is a very personal. But if you're interested in learning more about your charitable partners, just let me know. Lastly, it's time to focus on the clearing and cleaning. The words junk removal sound a bit insensitive, but some things have no other place but the landfill. Now, keep in mind that most companies who specialize in this are incentivized to recycle and resell as much as possible. Metals and some appliances are often destined to find a second life. No matter what you are faced with, please never forget that doing it alone may not be the best idea. Seeking the help of family members or professionals may be your best option. Professional organizers can streamline this process, making it less overwhelming for the family. No matter how you decide to go about it, we are here to help and guide you through the process. From recommending leading industry professionals to sharing useful tips and ideas. This won't necessarily be easy, but we can help you make it efficient. Before I let you go, I have one last important tip. It concerns dangerous items, firearms, ammunition, explosives, and hazardous chemicals. When it comes to firearms and ammunition, what you don't keep or sell can be turned in at your local law enforcement agency. Contact your local police or sheriff's department for more information. The disposal of hazardous materials should be done only by qualified professionals. The internet is your friend. Search for hazardous material disposal companies and don't try to do it yourself. It is both dangerous and it can result in a hefty fine. What else can I say? Thank you for joining me on this video. And if you find this content useful, please like, subscribe, and help me spread the word. I am Matias Masucci, your trusted Los Angeles realtor. And if I don't see you sooner, I will see you in the next video. Bye.